In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reclassify batch transactions in QuickBooks. This process will help streamline your bookkeeping tasks, making sure your financial data is as accurate as possible. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to sign in to your QuickBooks account. Open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. It's here that you'll enter your username and password. Once you've done that, click Continue to access your account. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to the next step. Navigate to the Accountant Tools section, which is usually found on the homepage's top navigation menu. This feature is specifically designed to make your life easier by giving you access to a plethora of accounting options. After accessing Accountant Tools, locate the Reclassify Transactions option. Clicking on this will open a new page specifically tailored for transaction management. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to handle multiple transactions with ease. Next, on the left panel of your screen, you'll see your list of transactions. Choose the transaction records that you want to reclassify. An important tip here is to be sure about the transactions you are selecting. Double check to ensure accuracy, as this can affect your financial records. Once you've selected your transactions, look for the box labeled Batch Reclassify. Click on this box, which prepares your selected transactions for reclassification. This feature is incredibly efficient as it groups your transactions, so you don't need to reclassify them one by one. Now click on Reclassify. This step will allow you to change the financial classification of the selected transactions. Here, accuracy is key. Make sure you've reviewed which new categories or accounts these transactions will belong to. You'll see the option Change Account To presenting itself. Click on this and navigate through your chart of accounts to select the destination account that best matches your classification criteria. Again, take a moment to ensure this account aligns with your end goals. Finally, you'll want to click Apply to commit the changes. By doing this, you're executing the reclassification command and your selected transactions are now reclassified according to the parameters you've set. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully reclassified batch transactions in QuickBooks. Remember, the key to successful bookkeeping is staying organized and ensuring that transactions are correctly categorized. With these simple steps, you can manage your data efficiently, keeping it precise and up to date. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.